Hello millionaires, future millionaires. My name is Ali, and on this channel we talk about making moolah, money. Using the internet or leveraging the internet, using affiliate marketing. If this is something you're interested in, click that subscribe button and continue on watching. I know there's millions of different offers online as far as starting an online business and quitting a 9-to-5, but what I have for you guys today is something really awesome. All these offers usually go for $1,000, $2,000, $10,000. I've seen some go up to a high as $50,000, and of course the ones that you're going to spend a lot of money on, they will pan out and you'll be able to make some money on. It'll show what do you call it? It'll give you results, and you got other offers that you're going to spend less and may or may not yield any results. But you can see with all the training that they do, they say results are not guaranteed and you are basically on your own. We're going to give you the system, and we're going to show you how it works, and you kind of do it, you do with it as you will. So you could spend tons of money and still come out empty-handed. But what I have for you guys today is an offer through ClickFunnels that's going to train you for 100 days, and it's completely free. And ClickFunnels has paid out over $1 million in commission to affiliates. So what they're going to do, they're going to train you how to start an online business. It's going to be a drip program. They'll email you, they'll email you a lesson every single day. And you can go online. You'll get the emails every day, and you'll basically do the next day training, so on and so forth. But the best part about all this is completely free. You can learn the system and you can apply it to whatever you like, because once you learn how the online sales process work, or the online affiliate marketing work, you can basically apply it to whatever business you want to do, anything you want to do. So if this is something you guys are interested in, I'm gonna leave the link below so you guys can check it out for yourself at no cost whatsoever. And I'm gonna leave a link to an article that shows you how much money has been spent on. Is this the right turn? I'm not sure. Well, you know what? I'm gonna take it anyway. I'm gonna leave a link below so you guys can check out the how much money has been paid and how much money you can make, and so on and so forth. It's just absolutely incredible the amount of money that you can make with the system. And the training is completely 100% free. And the way ClickFunnels work, basically it's just a software company. So what you're doing, you're selling the software, and the software will allow you to, for those of you guys don't know what ClickFunnels is, it's just a page builder or a funnel builder. So basically you build these mini websites, for lack of a better word, and any business owner that wants to take their business online will need something like that to start their online business. They're gonna need a page that they're gonna put their product on, and they're gonna put their landing page on. They're gonna put their call to action, and so on and so forth. This is it's a pretty simple process. That's what you're going to learn during the training. They're going to show you everything step by step, and you're going to implement all that stuff. And I don't know why the traffic is so terrible today. It's such a beautiful day, but people don't know how to drive, I guess. Anyways, guys, they will show you step by step how to use the system and how to start generating profit from it. And I mentioned before, to those who are already employed and they're doing well with their 9-to-5, just continue on doing what you're doing. Don't change, and just kind of do the training with the affiliate marketing the affiliate boot camp, which that's what I'm offering you guys. The link's going to be below. Again, it's a free of charge. Do the affiliate boot camp training, and basically it's today is the last day of September. Tomorrow is the 1st of October. You're looking basically roughly by January of next year, 22, you'll be able to generate full-time income using affiliate training, affiliate bootcamp training that's in the link below. Again, guys, this is no cost to you whatsoever. Let me put these windows down, windows up, so I can make sure we get good audio here. This is at no cost to you whatsoever. So take advantage of the training, learn how everything works, follow the steps. The most important thing, guys, I want to tell you, if you want 22 to be different than 21, you need to start taking action. You cannot just watch the training and not implement. You have to implement the steps. You have to take action. You have to do exactly as they say in the program, and that's how you're going to see results, because they tell you during the program, if you do not, basically they give you homework to do, and by you doing the homework, this is all real easy stuff, guys. Just maybe an hour a day, that's all you need. By doing the homework, I'm so sorry, I apologize. By doing the homework, you're going to sharpen your skills, and that's how you're going to start seeing results. So it's really important to take action. You have to take action. There's people that sit on the sideline and watch the world go by, and there's people that jump into the game and be part of the game. So you have to take action and be part of the game. You have to engage in the game. Sorry about my thing over here. It's so loose. Let me see if I can tighten it up a little bit. I'm driving right now, so I don't want to wreck. Hang on a second here. I hate when it starts wobbling like that. Okay. Maybe that's good. Maybe that's good. All right, let me see that. Yeah, that's a lot better. Let me tilt it down. There you go. All right, that's better. So, the key to success, guys, is to take action. Take action. When you watch the training, follow everything step by step. I know some of the people that I watched in the past that have taken the training and showed incredible results. What these guys did, they would watch the video and they would pause it, and it was a couple, actually. It was a guy and his girlfriend or his wife, and they would pause the video and they would do exactly what the video says, and then they would unpause and then go to the next step and then do it and then pause again. So if you follow everything step by step, it's going to make your life so much easier, and you're going to see results. A lot of people take these online courses, whether it's purchased or whether it's free, but they don't take action, and they wonder why aren't they getting any results. You really need to take action. So that's the key to success. You have to implement the training, and you have to follow the training verbatim, word by word, guys, word by word. And if you choose to promote ClickFunnels, which I'm doing right now, and I'm making great money doing it, they offer two different packages. One is $300 that pays you $118 every month per client, and they got another package that's $97 that pays roughly $40. So you can imagine how much money you can make if you sell 10 a month on the 118 package, which is not that hard to do. You're looking roughly $1,500 a month, close to it, every single month on autopilot. Okay, if you sell 10 only. Holy smokes, this road is really bad. Oh god. So they'll show you how to get traffic to your affiliate links and how to promote the product. They'll show you everything step by step. It's really incredible training. I mean, this training is probably worth $10,000, and you're gonna have access to it at no charge whatsoever. So if this is something you're interested in, don't forget the link's going to be in the description below. Also, if you guys start the training and you get stuck on a point here or there, or something you're not clear about, please leave comments for me. By you joining the training, by the way, you're going to have access to the Facebook group. There's thousands of people in there, so you can just post your concern or your questions in the Facebook group, and you'll be surprised how much response or how much results you'll get. Any question that you have, there's people out there that would love to help you, and they will answer your question. And just remember, all this is completely free, so take advantage of it. It's going to be my gift to you guys for 22, and I believe it's going to change your life for the better, and you're going to be financially well off, financially independent, and you're going to have the time freedom that you've been looking for all your life. If you want to spend some more time with your family, if you want to go on vacations, whatever it is that you need to do with your free time, this is going to allow you to do that. So just take advantage of this great offer, because I struggle when I first started being an affiliate marketer. I've been doing it for a few years now, and at the beginning I was really having a difficult time, and as I've gotten better with this, now I'm starting to see results. But one thing I want to mention to you guys, this is going to be a no push button thing. You're not going to push a button and millions of dollars are going to start just pouring on you. It's going to take some work. You have to do a little bit of work. You have to put in a little bit of time. Like starting any business, you either put in time, or if you have the money, you can outsource everything and have somebody else do it for you. If you're in a position where you can outsource and have people do it for you, go right ahead. That's great. But I know the majority of the people that I talk to online every day, they're all having a difficult time financially. So this is going to be a slam dunk for anybody that's just starting out brand new. So do take advantage of it and start your online business. Start generating an income. It's a great skill to work, and you can when you become really good at it, you can pass it on to your family, to your kids. You could perhaps even make one thing that I'm getting into right now. It's called membership websites. So basically, you can make or build what do you call it? A membership website, and put all your training in there. Basically, everything that you learn and how you were able to achieve the results that you have achieved. You know, once you start making enough income to basically to take care of your family, make a mortgage payment, make a car payment, take care of everything. You know what I mean? Once you get to that level where you're very comfortable and very confident with what you're doing, then you can make a course and perhaps sell that course to your students or your clients. That's another way to generate cash. You can still continue on doing affiliate marketing, and you can have a website, a membership website where you can actually sell your training. By the way, that's also offered. It's part of the. I'm going to put a book below, which is also part of ClickFunnels. It's called Expert Secrets, which shows you how to basically turn your knowledge into a business. So whatever it is, you may be an expert in a certain field right now, and you want to turn that into a business right now. So you can do that right off the bat. But most important thing is watch the training. Is 100 days, and excuse me. It's and implement everything they tell you to do in the training, and in 100 days you will. Some people can do that before 100 days. Like I said, around January of next year, 22, you should start seeing results, and you're going to be amazed in the amount of information that you're going to be getting from this training at no cost to you whatsoever. Again, if you have any questions, if you get stuck on anything, please, by any means, just leave the link. Leave your concerns below. Any comment that you have, any questions, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. That's all I have for you today, and I wish you guys best of luck, and I know you got this. I believe in you. You are clever, you are smart, you are intelligent, you are capable, and I believe in you 100%. Click the link below. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. I love you guys. Have a wonderful time, and I hope it's sunny and gorgeous whatever you are. And if you do follow the program and start getting results, do me a giant favor. I want you to get back to me and share your results with me, please. I want to see that you guys are doing good. I want to see that you guys are being successful. I know a lot of us don't want to do the 9 to 5, or some of us can do the 9 to 5 and don't want to do it. You know what I mean? Some people may have a disability issue where they cannot go to an office or cannot go physically to work, cannot stand on their feet all day. So this will be a good alternative for you instead of having to physically drive to work every day, clock in and clock out and all that nonsense. If you start making money online and you become successful, please share that with me, because I want to know that I was able to help you to get to where you want to go financially. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I got a few things I have to take care of, and I'm getting ready to stop over here, but I just want to share that with you guys. Again, please, if you're new to my channel, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you've gotten any value out of this video, share it so other people can actually benefit from it too. Share this video with friends and family, and just put it everywhere online so people can take advantage of it, and help them quit the 9 to 5 and start their online business, because I know it's a very attractive offer for a lot of people. You don't even have to be at home to do this. You could be on the road anywhere. You could have your laptop, as long as you have your laptop and access to internet, you can do that. You could be traveling anywhere, on the beach, anywhere. As long as you have access to internet and a laptop, you're good to go. What else? Subscribe, comment, like, share. I know there's one. Oh, tick that bell icon if you are into making money online. If this is something you're trying to get into, you want to be an entrepreneur, and you want to quit the 9 to 5 hustle, and you're tired of your job, your daily routine thing, tick that bell icon. This way, every time I publish a new video, you'll get notified, and you'll be able to watch the new releases that I have. Have a wonderful day. Best of luck. I love you, and don't forget, if you do see success out of this system, please get back to me, let me know. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.